guys, it's Erica Stone, and today I want to show you a simple way to take those messy YouTube transcripts and turn them into easy to read documents using ChatGPT. Have you ever found yourself kind of enthralled in a YouTube tutorial or an interview or something, and you know that you want the material that's in it, but it's so easy to get, for me anyway, to get distracted while watching a video. I love what's being said, but my mind jumps to something else, and suddenly I'm having to go back and replay a part. And for me, I learn better reading than by listening. It actually takes me longer to learn something if I've got to listen to it because my mind will shoot off to something else. So I love that you can get transcripts for YouTube videos, but they're not easy to read. They're fragments of a sentence that come along and it doesn't work for me. So it dawned on me, and maybe I'm slower than others. Sure, this is already out there somewhere, but this is new for me. I found that I could just take those transcripts, put them into ChatGPT, and have it clean it up for me. So I'm going to show you an example using one of my own tutorials, one of my own videos. It's 13 minutes long. And let's say I'm, a couple minutes in and I'm like, yeah, I think I need this information, or I'm halfway through and I forgot what they said. I don't want to write notes. How could I get that information without having to write it down for myself? So in a video's description, you can go down here to the description under the video, click more, and scroll down, and you should see show transcript if it's available for the video. And then the transcript will pop up over here on the right. But see how it has timestamps and then a fragment of a sentence. So you have to read like all of this. And for me, that just, my mind just blanks out. So first you can click the hamburger menu, the 3-dot menu over here, and toggle timestamps and take those off. That helps, but still, these oddly spaced, oddly written sentences just throw me off. So then you can just highlight all the way down, just edit, copy all the text, go all the way, scroll till you get to the bottom. So what I'm doing is I started copying up at the top, and now I'm just scrolling until I get to the bottom of the transcript. And then I'm gonna right click and copy. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. In a new chat, I'm going to say, show this transcript in sentence and paragraph format. Then I'm going to right click and paste what I copied, submit the chat, and ChatGPT will put it out for me broken up. It's easier to read. I could scan through it. I could probably even ask ChatGPT to break down the steps for me of what was said. Now I can work with the material, ask my own questions. I have it saved in a format that I can use. I'm not saying copy people's transcripts and publish them, make them your own. I'm saying when you see something and you want to get the value out of the video, but your mind doesn't do it easily, like mine, where you want to see it written, this is a tool for you to use personally to make the best use of some information that you see. I'll find stuff that I want to watch or learn from, but I don't have the time at that moment. I might print out or copy out the transcript and save it for myself in a chat so that I can read it later if I'm in the car going somewhere, my husband's driving and he's listening to music, and maybe I can then be reading those transcripts and make use of the information. So just a tip, Hope you find this information useful, and if you do, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. I would love that. Have a good day.